Okay, so let's start today's session. I'm accepting the learner one, and the second one is the native speaker, native Arabic speaker. Yeah, hi. Let's wait for Dinah. She is still mute. Uh, okay. Pardon? You have at what time? What's going on, man? Mhm. Okay. 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 Uh, Dinah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? I can hear you. Okay, let me message the inbox. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay now. Welcome, assalam. Okay, so can we start? Okay, I have shared you the colored book, the colored Arabic book by mail. You have hope you have received that colored book. Back to the meeting. Okay, so everybody has their own. Everybody has their that book that Arabic book. Dimitri and Dina, both of you have those that color book, right? So I'm going to share the screen and we'll discuss that book only. Yesterday I have discussed the half, means one like chapter one, I think, with one of my native speakers. And today let's start with the chapter one also. No problem. Managers. Mm, okay, so we have 30 minutes, right? We'll spend 30 minutes only, not more than that. Mm-hmm. Come on, man. Magdalena Arabic. Okay. So everybody has that. I have finished yesterday the lesson, but we can repeat it again. Would you like to read uh, Dimitri? Yeah. Yeah. Please read. So you read chapter first page. I will read second page, and then third, and then fourth. You will do like that only. Can you see the screen? I have shared the screen. Okay. I think the screen is not visible to you, but I have already shared the screen so that you can, I mean, everybody can read sequentially. Yeah. Okay, the second chapter. Ma hada. What is this? Okay, what is this? Ma hada. What is this? Ma hada. What is this? Hada baytun. This is a house. A hada baytun. Is this a house? Naam hada baytun. Yes, this is a house. Ma hada. What is this? Hada kamithun. This is a shirt. Hada sarirun. Is this a bed? La. Hada kursiyun. No, this is a chair. Ahaza miftahun. Is this a key? La. Haza kalamun. No, this is a pen. Ma haza. What is this? Haza najmun. This is a star. Yeah. Yeah, Dimitri. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Haza baitun. Is this a house? Naam. Haza baitun. Yes, this is a house. Ahaza kamisun. Is this a shirt? Naam. This haza kamizun. Haza kamizun. Yes, this is a shirt. Ahaza miftahun. Is this a pen? La. Haza kalamun. No, this is a pen. Ahaza najamun. Is this a star? La. Haza najamun. Naam. Haza najamun. Yes, this is a star. Yeah. Ikra up. You right. Yeah, Dimitri. Yeah, yeah, please. Take care of. Okay. Man hada. Who is this? Hada tajirun. This is a merchant or businessman. Ma hada. What is this? Hada masjidun. This is a mosque. Hada kalbun. This is a Dog. A haza kalbun. Is this a dog? La. Haza kittun. No, this is a cat. Haza himarun. This is a donkey. A haza himarun. La. Haza hisanun. Is this a donkey? No, this is a horse. Uma haza. And what is this? Haza jamalun. This is a camel. Ma haza. What is this? Haza deekun. Man haza. Who is this? Haza mudarrisun. This is a teacher. Tamreen. Exercise. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Point to remember. In this lesson, we learned the following patterns. What is this? Ma haza. This is a book. Haza kitabun. Is this a book? A haza kitabun? Yes, this is a house. Naam. Haza baitun. No, this is a mosque. La. Haza masjidun. Who is this? Man haza. Ma haza. What is this? Man haza. Who is this? Okay. I think you know, Mitri. Man haza means man for only human being. To ask who? Man. Only human being, not anything. I learned yesterday. Means we have to only use for a human being. Human being. Yeah. Not for animals either. We cannot use for animals also. Only for human being. The man who has brain. Man. Uh, Haza is pronounced haza. This is written without the first alif. Haza. But it is pronounced as haza. Written as haza, pronounced as haza. Okay. Arab has no word corresponding to English is. Example, Arab has no copula. There is no word in Arabic corresponding to a. Okay. So a and is missing in Arabic. In English, as in this, is a book. The noun, the end sound at the end of the Arabic noun, kitabun, baytun, masjidun is the Arabic identify finite identified indefinite articles corresponding to the English a and n. Okay. Baytun masjidun un is corresponding to a and n. This is this n sound is called tanween. Un in win tanween. The particle a placed at the beginning of this statement turn it into a question mark. The question tag. A. This is a house. Haza baytun. Is this a house? A haza baytun? Okay. It's your turn. Yeah, vocabulary. Yeah. Mean. May. Where is that? Okay. So we have done with first session. Let's finish it within a 10 minutes, if possible. The second lesson, and then we'll round up today's lecture. Okay. Till 16 pages. We'll read only and round up for next day or the next session. Adrusul Sani. Awal Sani. Awal first, Sani second. Adrusul Durus means lesson. Lesson two. Zalika. Uh, that. Not this. This Haza means the nearby this. Zalika means that, which is far away from our place. Ma Haza. Ma Zalika. What is that? Zalika Najmun. That is a star. Haza Masjidun was Zalika Betun. This is a mosque and that is a house. Haza Hisanun was Zalika Himarun. This is a horse and that is a donkey. A Haza Kalabun, is this a Zalika Kalabun? Is that a dog? La Zalika Kittun. No, that is a cat. Ma Zalika, what is that? Zalika Sarirun. That is a sarir, means the bed. Man Haza, wo man Zalika. Who is this and who is that? Who is this and who is that? This Haza Madarisun. This is uh, teacher. Wo Zalika Imamun. Or and that is a imam, a leader. Ma Zalika, what is that? Zalika Hajarun, that is a stone. Haza Sukurun, Sukarun, Haza Sukarun, Haza Sukarun, Uzalika Lebanon. This is sugar and that is a milk. Haza Zalika. Haza this, Zalika that. Okay, please. There is double, there is double calf, there is double calf.
वो टिकट के लिए क्या पेरेंट का वो 2 दिन पहला कुछ करना पड़ता है लगेज के लिए
लगेज के लिए
हाँ हाँ उधर से फोन ऐसा कोई उधर से भी फोन करके बोला आने से पहला 2 दिन पहला बताने का उधर से इधर से टिकट कटा उधर से
कब कब का
2
टिकट है?
दिन पहला
कब का टिकट है आपका? कब का टिकट है?
3 तारीख का
3 मई का।
हाँ?
3 मई का ना?
हाँ मई का।
ठीक है मैं बात करके बताता हूँ आपको।
आप बात करके फिर बताओ, फिर हमारा फिर साथ बताना पड़ेगा उसको कंप्यूटर में भेजना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर उधर जाकर फिर नहीं होएगा, फिर बोलेगा तुम के नहीं भेजा तुम उसको किसी की कैंप से।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा। मैं
ऐसा है, आप बात करो
ठीक है।
फिर
मैं कल कल बताता हूँ।
कल करने का, आज बोलने का।
हाँ आज मैं बात करता हूँ, कल बताता हूँ। अभी
कल नहीं बताने का, आज ही बताने का। तो हम उसको हम लोग को बताना, फिर हम कल आके आएगा ना आपको।
नहीं वो बंद हो गया होगा ना, उनका जो कस्टमर केयर है वो 6 बजे तक बंद हो गया होगा, तो अभी तो लगेगा नहीं, तो मुझे सुबह सुबह बात करना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा, सुबह सुबह
ठीक है, बात करके आपको बताता हूँ।
ये क्यों गिर रहा है?
नहीं वो लगा हुआ है ना इसलिए।
हाँ बाद में मैसेज करेगा, मैं मैसेज लेके आएगा तो कर दीजिएगा।
ठीक है मैं आपको बताता हूँ बाद में। या प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
हाँ
नहीं बात करो ना।
ये चीजू
या प्लीज कंटिन्यू। ये डबल काप राइट, सुक्कर, डबल काप। या ओके। इमाम बेफर, कब्ल कब्ल, that must be कब्ल, not imam, कब्ल। in front, in front I think amam. Yeah I think in कब्ल, in front. Okay, let's finish this lecture by this last chapter, last things to remember, points to remember. In this lesson we learned that the use of zalika means that, and wa means and. This is a house and that is a mosque. Haza baitun wa zalika masjidun. Note, zalika is pronounced as zalika, zalika, but it is written without alif. It is pronounced with alif but written without alif. Haza is pronounced with alif but it is written without alif. Okay, that is the secret. The word wa is written close to the following word. Vocabulary: imamun, imam; sukkarun, sugar; labanun, milk; hajarun, stone. Okay, okay. Let's round up and from chapter 3. Chapter 3. Yeah, we'll continue next day, inshallah, or on next session. And if you have any doubt, you can ask anytime, Dinah, either on HT or here also, and you can also initiate the this session. If you will initiate, then you can ask us your doubt. No problem. So in this way, two-way session, two-way language exchange will go on. Yeah. Okay. So okay. Okay. Do you have that PDF, that this PDF, this colored PDF? Okay. So you must have seen that there is only 38 pages. Okay. Okay. So if you divide 38 pages into 4 page per page, 34 divided by 4, it means approx, yeah, not to 36, yeah, 9 point something. So you will require 9 pages. Just take that 9 pages and go to the Xerox or any printing press or any printing uh, shop, and he will give you that 9 pages of this book. You no need to invest that money. That money, maybe it will require 120 or 130 rupees or 150 rupees of that book. So you no need to spend that much money. It will be required only a few rupees, 15, 20 rupees, and you will be ready with your book. Yeah, yeah. This is the basic one. Yeah, this is the basic one. Yeah, you can buy those all. Okay, whatever I have, I am showing you. You can buy these, but not this one, which we are completing at this moment of time. Uh, Here it is. Yeah, this is that book is a part of book one. That book is also book one. That book belongs to this book, the PDF. Yeah, the book one. And for book two and for book three, you can buy if you want, but we will cover from PDF. Most of the time, we'll cover from PDF only. Okay, okay. That color book has English translation, and this one also. Listen, see here. This book, this book has English. Yeah, the English translation. The key is backside of this book. I'm talking of the first book, and at all the books, uh, the backside has this English translation. Okay, the answer, the keys are in English only. All the explanation. So the same way, the same thing we are reading in point to remember part of each chapter of the book. We have just finished two point to remember part, right? In our session. So same thing we have in this book also, means in this hard copy of this book, which I bought, I think at 300 or 290 rupees only, 2 or 250 rupees. Okay, that's all. So can you finish this session? Okay. Yeah. Bye bye. See ya. See ya next time. Bye bye. Take yourself. Okay.